Hi guys, welcome to this course on Android job preparation. So this is a course designed to help you with your preparation for Android job interviews. So this is not a complete set of questions that you might be asked. Every interviewer has their own set of questions, but this course will help you prepare for the kind of questions and the breadth and depth of questions that could be asked. After all, it's up to you how you prepare, but this will act as a very good guide on how you can go through this preparation. So starting, we will go through what you would expect for an Android job interview, what are the steps and what are different steps and what is the result at the end of it. So let's get started. So in any job interview now, which is related to technical stuff, you always have algorithms and data structures. So it is highly recommended that you log into leadcode.com or any other similar site and prepare yourself at least all the easy, medium, and some of the hard questions. And also go through all the forums where people talk about them. And it is also recommended that you have a buddy. Now, this buddy is not only to guide you, but someone who is preparing along with you so that you can share notes, you can share your progress, and you can help each other with interview questions. The next that you can be asked are code review questions. So these are basically, they will ask you to find bugs in the code or what is the output of the code or just to give a simple review comments. So simple review comments are mostly for senior developers, while other two are for junior developers. Next, you could be asked if you're attending an interview on site. You have walked into an office and they might just give you a laptop and tell you to implement a feature in 1 hour or 2 hours. So what helps in these scenarios is to have your own GitHub repository where you have implemented a lot of features so that you can copy those dependencies and those features, classes, everything is ready so that you can finish it fast. Next thing is similar to feature implementation, but something that you take home. So basically, as a screening round, many HRs will give you a take-home project. They will mail you an assignment and they will tell you that you have a week or 2 weeks to implement it and send it back. Then the assignment is given to a senior developer to review, and based on that, you will be screened. At the end of this course, the last section, we will do an actual assignment that was given to me for an interview. So system design. So if you are a mid or a senior level Android developer, you will be asked a lot of system design questions, which can be around Android implementation or even backend implementation. So it is always recommended that you go through architecture books or architecture blogs by Netflix, Amazon, Google, where they share their architecture problems. And the last is a behavioral question answer round. This is mostly done by the hiring manager who wants to evaluate you mentally or how you behave when you're given a problem, a task, and the answers are mostly given in STAR method format, which basically means situation, task, action, and result. So where you can tell what was the situation we were in or the team was in and what was the task that was required to be done, and what action you took, and what was the end result or the impact that you were able to create. Now, more on this, if you want, you can follow this link. The process of an interview mostly looks like this. You will have once you apply and your resume is shortlisted. So one more thing on the resume. So please ensure that your resume is written properly. There are no spelling mistakes. There is no need to make it very flashy, but it should not be too long also. If you have done a lot of projects, try to just show the topmost projects that you really feel can add value. Just by adding 18, 20, 25 projects will not add any value to your resume because nobody is going to read them. One-page resume is what is required, and you should highlight the most important thing that you have done. So after your resume is shortlisted, you will have a phone screening round, data structure problem solving round, which might be online or on-site, and then take-home project or code review. So these are like screening rounds. On-site, some of the on-sites are still happening online due to COVID, but you can expect data structure problem solving, Android coding, system design, behavioral rounds, hiring manager round, and bar raiser. So bar raiser, the difference is that it will be generally taken by a director level or a VP level person, or another hiring manager whom you will not report if you are hired. So this is from the process and interview round side. In the next video, let's start our preparation. See you there.